messing with it. Might have it in his mouth. Oh. Let's open the door. Let some stuff. Yeah, he's definitely got it. Yeah. Just gonna. Yeah. Yep. He is on. Oh, it's a carp. It's a big carp. That is a good carp. I don't want to boat flip him and break my rock. So I'm just pulling down here. That's why it wasn't like.
What type of carp is it? Is it the one we catch at the other creek?
Yeah, it's not an Asian carp. I'm gonna get him up here. Yeah. It's
Don't slip,
so
bro.
muddy.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What type of hook you using? Look at his mouth.
That's creepy, man. That's a big one. I wonder how much he weighs.
Here, Asher. Will you get my scale out of here? It's somewhere up here. I don't want the digital
Where
one.
is it?
Just dig through there.
Oh.
Yeah, that yellow. No, the little ring's in there somewhere. It likes to come on. It's just a little metal circle looking thing. He's sucking on my thumb.
No, that's it.
Oh. Here, we could use that there. I'll clip it in his mouth so it's easy. Well, I still need the other thing though.
Go ahead, Nick.